Hello everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you two simple ways to check the balance on your American Express gift card. Method 1. Check online. Visit the official balance check page at balance.amexgiftcard.com. Enter your 15-digit card number, the card's expiration date, and the 4-digit security code. Click Continue. Your current gift card balance will then be displayed on the screen. Method 2. Check by phone. Call the toll-free number 1-888-846-4308. Follow the automated prompts or choose to speak to our representative. Provide your gift card number and any other required details. You'll hear your remaining balance right away. And that's it. Whether you check online or by phone, you can easily keep track of your Amex gift card balance anytime. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.